Good morning, sir. Myself, Jaspreet Singh Rawat. Today I am giving a PowerPoint presentation on the topic Future Scope of Cloud Computing in various fields like IoT and machine learning, etc. Before going on future scope, let's take a quick look at what is cloud computing. Cloud computing is a model for enabling convenient on-demand network access. On-demand network access means we need an internet connection and we can access it everywhere around the world and access to a shared pool of configurable computing resources. Shared pool means IT resources are pooled to serve multiple consumers. Consumers have no knowledge about the exact location of resources provided, and all the resources are dynamically assigned to the customer. Like, and the resources are like network, servers, storage, application services that can be rapidly provisioned and released with minimal management effort. That is, we can take cloud services whenever we want. It does not take time to get activate, and with minimal management effort or service provider interaction. That is, we don't need to manage the servers. It is all done by the cloud service provider. Now, let's take a look at what is IoT. The Internet of Things describes physical objects that are embedded with sensors, processing ability, software, and other technologies that connect with exchange data over devices and system over internet. Now let's look what is ML. ML means machine learning. Machine learning is a branch of AI and computer science which focuses on use of data algorithms to meet the way that human learn, gradually improving its accuracy. Now, what is future of cloud in IoT? Well, the first is providing infrastructure. Integration of IoT and cloud always allows public cloud service to assist third parties gain access to infrastructure, which can help IoT data or computational model operating over IoT devices. Pay as you go, also known as PAYG, cloud computing is a payment method which allows users to be charged only for the data they store. They don't have to pay for any additional data for anything else. Improve scalability. IoT devices demand a lot of storage to share data for valuable purposes. Cloud service can provide customers with greater space, which can increase as per the user demand, hence resolving the storage need of customer. In cloud, for customer, the storage looks virtually infinite. Future of cloud in ML. Cloud computing provides virtually unlimited resources. Unlike an on-premise server limited by hardware components, cloud computing can provide access to virtually unlimited cloud computing resources. Processing accelerators are the future. To speed up the delivery of AI-powered software services, some companies are building processing accelerators. The processor is specifically designed to accelerate AI workloads in the cloud and is capable of 1000 TOPS, that is 1 peta operations per second. Now, let's take some future scope of cloud computing. Number one, that is backup and disaster recovery. A cloud-based backup and disaster recovery solution is like a recovery strategy. The system automatically stores and maintains copies of electronic records within an external cloud server as a security measure in case the original files are lost. That means in cloud computing, a file is stored at multiple data centers. So if one file is lost or corrupted in one data center, its copy is saved in another data center. Cloud security. With more companies moving to cloud platform, it's important to ensure that cloud service providers can create an airtight security system to guarantee that safety of their clients' data. And security is very important these days. Service mesh. With a service mesh, users have dedicated layer for service-to-service communication, making their cloud platform highly dynamic and secure. Open source. Open source cloud is a service that is built with software technology that can be customized by anyone. Simply put, an open source cloud platform allows business to customize the infrastructure based on their specific needs. Well, that's all for it. Thank you.